Good afternoon, welcome to Chief Jimbo TV, where last week we talked about cooking a meal for £1.50 for 6 people at home. The responses I got on Chief Jimbo TV was quite interesting. Omelettes, carrots, potatoes. But nobody actually gave me a cost of how much it would cost, because people were either bemused, bamboozled, confused, or didn't believe it. But today, I'm going to prove to you that you can cook a meal for £1.50. The trick in it is, we've all got money, disposable income, but we ration our disposable income to make it stretch to the point where it's reasonable. What I cooked, or what I went out and bought, was I bought potatoes for 40p in the market, I bought mushrooms for 30p, tomatoes 30p, onions for 5p, and rice for 40p. That gave me an amount of £1.50. And would you believe that £1.50, even when I was cooking, or I started cooking all this food, which I promised you, it was amazing. Even I was baffled. People were baffled that we could cook, or I could cook for 6 people. People couldn't comprehend it. But hey, let me show you that my channel is innovative, creative, and with my crew, we are getting better with our responses and with our articles. I will show you now how we made a meal of £1.50 for 6. Now, if you turn around and look into this bowl, that is rice cooked with potatoes, mushrooms, onions, and tomato for £1.50. And also, we've got potatoes here. Now, the ingredients were, you boil the rice for 20 minutes, you boil the potatoes, you fry the onions and tomatoes and mushrooms, and keep it sieving for 10 minutes, and then it becomes hot. And then what we did, we put everything together. Now this is enough for at least 6 people or even more. Now, the average rice, which I'm going to show you, these are 3 scoops and 1 potato. That's enough for 1 person. We've cooked it for 6 people, and these 6 people that have been in the sitting room are very impressed with what we've cooked. So it's not hard or out of your mind or impossible not to cook something for 6 people. It just takes you, your disposable income, your intelligence, your confidence, and your perception to go out there and find and look for food that will cost nothing more than £1.50. Now, you might be wondering what the motive behind the whole thing was, and I'll tell you. Because we have money in our pockets, we look into the cupboards. Each and every single household in the United Kingdom, which is estimated to be 63 million, we throw away weekly at least £6.50p worth of food every week, somewhere along the line. And that's a huge amount of waste. But if we now stand back and look and see what I've just done this morning, Sunday brunch don't do it, Saturday kitchen don't do it. We have to look at the lower end of the market and say to ourselves, hard times, what do we do and how do we do it? Next week, I'm going to show you something even more strange that will make you understand that innovation, creativity, and empowering you is what Chief Jimbo TV brings to your doorstep. So, don't be surprised. We're here to contribute, me and my crew, to making our daily lives living news, sport, documentary, entertainment for you at home. So from Chief Jimbo and his crew, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll speak to you next week.